comment say that.
What does that even mean? Tonio, aren't you Indonesian?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
A bus horn. Horn of a bus.
It must be something.
A bus horn.
What kind of bus horn?
Listen. Hey.
He's healthy. Clean eating.
Can't touch
6
this.
feet even. 2, 4, 6, 8. Same pack.
Can't touch this.
Are you rich?
Yes.
He's a good Finally. Let's go upstairs. And one more.
Oh shit.
Holy shit! Can you want me on a diet?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong?
What? Not today! So cute!
I love it.
No, we're missing Hannah.
Oh, yeah, I miss her. Oh,
Oh,
that's weird.
Oh, she's in a plane, that's why.
Oh, I'll call her.
No, she's not gonna answer.
You know what's crazy is that lele bitch keeps calling me over and over.
Merry Christmas! I know you don't like books, but I do. What about me?
I got you this. One of a kind.
One of a kind?
My friend makes them.
I love it! Hey, that's a necklace.
My boyfriend gave it to me.
Oh my god, my boyfriend said it's a one of a
He
kind.
said his friend made it for him.
Wait, my boyfriend has black hair.
My boyfriend's tall.
My boyfriend doesn't like
My
books.
boyfriend's Cuban.
Baby, you forgot your.
Ray.
That was close. Delivery?
Do you mind helping me?
Oh yeah, sure. Hold on.
Rocking around.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Smells great.
Yeah, put it back.
Hey, grab yourself. Grab yourself. I'm the delivery guy. Don't.
Boyfriend! Where's going?
Oh my god.
Get off!
I'll be right back, guys.
Oh, shit, my head hurts.
No, she changed my colors.
What the fuck are you? I don't think you can breathe. Can you breathe underwater? Try to breathe, girl.
Monster! Stop taking my colors!
It's so fluffy.
We're just friends.
Are you guys dating?
Yeah, I said we're just friends.
Oh! Oh my god, that's such a cute baby! You're so cute! Come on!
What do you want? Do you want us to kiss? Will that make you shut up? Okay, fine. We'll kiss. We'll kiss. Are you happy?
Hell no.
I'm obviously your number one, right?
Both of you.
Yeah, but if you had to choose, you'd choose me, right?
Wait, no, but I've known you long.
Doesn't matter.
Will
I
give her the best massages? Will I give her the cheesiest pizza in town?
Look what I just made you.
That's from IKEA.
Well, I got you a boyfriend.
That's my cousin.
Not just a boyfriend.
You get to choose. I'm not gonna choose!
My boyfriend broke up with me.
Are you okay? I'm fine! Are you sure you're okay? You can tell us.
Anyways, do you guys want to see Doctor Strange?
Oh, we just watched it.
Oh, it's okay.
Sorry. You don't look fine.
I'm fine.
You can tell us. Hannah, you're not fine. Hannah, tell us.
Clearly not fun,
Why
right?
can't you just tell us? Why can't you just... Oh! Hannah, are you okay? Oh my god, you're so...
What? Go talk to him.
Hey, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah. No, I don't. I'm single.
Oh wait, do you want to go out sometime?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Do you want to be my boyfriend?
Yes. Yes.
Let's get married.
No. Get out. Just what?
No, sorry.
Like what?
Hey, Hannah, what's wrong? That's my ex-boyfriend! You know what? Payback, you have to make him jealous. How? What do guys not like?
I mean, just make out with a random guy while he's looking.
He's gonna go crazy.
Guys hate that.
Oh my god, he's looking! What do I do? Find the guy! Find the guy! I'm always gonna have your back.
Yeah, but sometimes I'm just so fucking stupid.
Did you just call yourself stupid?
Yeah.
No one calls my friend stupid!
What you know about me? What you know about me?
Are you doing your Are you doing your homework? I hope you're not playing that video game. I don't really care.
That's Ray. I've had a crush on him since 5th grade.
Yeah, he's hot.
Wait, can you talk to him for me?
Me?
I'm so nervous around him.
Yeah, I'll talk to him. Hey, what's up, Ray? Do you remember Hannah?
Oh yeah, she's beautiful.
You know what? She has a big ass.
So do you.
I'm sorry. Okay, listen, she likes me.
So does my girlfriend. Hannah, come here. Come over here, girl.
Oh! You remember me, right?
Can I explain?
Okay, explain.
I can explain.
No! No.
Hot potato, hot potato.
Hey, this is my boyfriend.
This is my boyfriend. He's mine!
Oh my god, baby.
Hi.
Look, she just okay. Let's just go to another place.
What?
How? No. We're going out to dinner. Oh, this is so nice.
Well, finally we're alone, baby.
Yo. No. Yo.
What's that?
Shut the up! Busted. You were cheating on me.
I can explain.
Who's this guy? I'm Wampa. Who is he?
Baby! Hey! Yeah, her boyfriend. Duh.
Nabaya.
What do you mean?
All right, kiss him.
Oh shit!
On the lips?
Oh shit!
Kiss him.
Hey. Bye now. Kiss him.
Okay.
I know you do.
I really like Pampa.
I know you do.
What do I do?
Just talk to her.
Just talk.
Stop.
I got this.
I got this.
Yo, say hi, how are you now? Kiss! And
How you been?
Bring that boy, let's go, let's go. Boy, bad, fuck it, let me see you get low. Boy, bad, fuck it, let me see you get low. Boy, bad, fuck it, let me see you get low.
oh my god, that's so cute.
You look amazing.
Did you just call me fat? Great. Get. Don't you? Only amazing. No crazy, no sexy, no anything.
dare you.
Hello.
Yo, this girl is super hot. I really like her.
Ooh, go talk to her.
Oh, you know I'm shy.
Okay, I'll do it.
What?
Hey, let me just use this real quick. Thanks. Hey. Oh my god, you're so freaking pretty. Thank you so much.
No.
Oh
What?
no, Wampa, she needs help. Wampa, CPR, kiss her. I have her for you.
No.
Michaela!
It's Lele. What do we do? I have an idea. Girls?
Hey, girl.
Unfreeze.
How are you? I'm good.
You look so.
I miss you. Oh my god. Who the fuck were those girls?
I'm going in.
Hey. Okay, you talk. Is your friend single?
What?
Your hot friend, Ray. Does he like either of us?
We like him, yeah. I'm so nervous. Yeah, can you talk? Can you help? You're like my brother. I can tell you.
Never mind, I'll find someone.
Are you calling me fat?
Thanks, Lele. You look so pretty today.
Oh, so I'm ugly every single other day?
Thanks, Lele. Anna, this is my friend Tuan. Hi. You guys should go out sometime.
Oh, so you're trying to sell me out like a slut?
Hannah. Thanks, Lele. I'm gonna buy you lunch. Oh, so you think I'm poor? Hannah, stop taking everything so personal.
You know what? You're completely right.
Oh, so I'm always wrong. Thanks, Hannah.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit
Teacher.
of Tina's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a
Sir,
little
he's
bit
cheating.
of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary
done.
all night long, a
You
little
hate
bit
that.
of Jessica.
You got everything wrong.
How? How? But we cheated. Yeah.
No! No. What is this? This is a joke? This is a serious thing. Like, look at this.
So,
This is too much.
what about this one?
I don't love it.
This one?
Whoa! That's the one. It looks so good tonight. It's just insane.
I know you're cheating with me.
I'm
Yeah,
not
you-
cheating
yeah,
on you.
we'll find out.
Find out where you're going.
Hi. Are you my Kayla?
Yeah.
Why are you moving the garbage?
It's my mom.
Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Yeah, no messages.
Wait. You
See,
can make
nothing.
Then why is your Wi-Fi connected?
Hi. I just wanted to say you look really.
Hi.
I just think you're like.
Oh, is that your Sure.
Wait, who's that guy?
Wait, I want to be on her side.
Oh,
Oh, I just took it. I already took it.
okay.
Oh, can I see it?
No.
My first kiss went a little like this. What? And twist.
Congratulations.
We split. That's the camera. Watch.
Kiss went a little like this.
Bullshit.
And twist. And twist.
It's for sure the camera. I'm gonna check it.
Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Oh shit!